select the blank tab underneath the Active Client option. It may help to confirm the names of each member within your group. Select the blue Search My Groups button, then select the name of the group. This group has a total of 3 members that need to sync to an NFC band. Select the back arrow key twice. Locate one of the members within the group. Swipe left when using an Apple device or select and hold when using an Android device, then select the More option. Select Edit. Scroll down this page and select the blue button labeled Sync NFC. The pop-up message provides instructions on how to sync the NFC band. Select Continue. Hold the back of your phone near the NFC band. In this video, we are using an iPhone 7, so we hold the band near the top back area of the iPhone. Android phones will scan the NFC band near the middle of the phone. Once this band has been synced, it cannot be synced by another user. You'll see the NFC ID number shown here. Make sure you select the blue Save Changes button. If the back arrow key is selected instead, the NFC band will need to be synced again. Repeat this process for all members within the group. To sign in an individual user as the active client, select the top right Sync symbol. Scan the NFC band of the user you want to activate. You'll see that our desired user is now the active client. Let's deactivate our client Bob for now and activate a group with NFC bands already synced to each member. Select the name of the group you want to activate. Make sure you are connected to your SMARTfit system. Select Manage Connections, then select the 8-digit controller ID. Let's run a group training session with the active group. Select the Play tab at the bottom of the screen. You can play and track data using the group in the same way you can play and track data for an individual user. That means categories, pre-designed activities, or any activities you've created can be integrated into the group training mode. In this example, we will select the Group Activities menu item, then select one of the shared activities. Select the blue Play button to continue. This is the group training page where you can review and edit your group. Toggle the NFC mode switch so it is turned on. Every member of the group must first be synced to the NFC band before running NFC mode in group training. If there are any users that do not have a synced NFC band, then you will not have the ability to activate NFC mode. The members' names who still need to be synced will be shown here. Once all members are synced to an NFC band, select the blue Play button to continue. This pop-up message will provide instructions for how to manage the order of the group. Once understood, select Continue. Scan the first member. Near the bottom of the page, we can see that Bob is now the active member. Once he finishes his attempt, scan the next member of the group. If a group member tries to scan in again before all group members have played, the app will prompt you to scan in a group member who still needs to play. The app will prompt you to scan in a group member who still needs to play. Once all members have gone, the program will finish and send you back to the list of group activities.